staying at Hotel Elizabeth Cebu for 5 days, and this is their main entrance. We actually arrived at the hotel so early, like about 4 hours early, and I was able to check in at 12 p.m. instead of 2 p.m. So that was really nice that they let me check in early. And this is our room. So as soon as you walk in, this is the main door. That's the door that you would walk into, and then to your left side, as soon as you walk in, you got the safe and your closet, extra pillows, and this is the king size bed. I actually booked 2 bedrooms, one for me and my sister and one for my parents. And then to your left side, you have the entertainment area, and the TV is a little bit small. It's about like 32 inches. And this is the free stuff you will get, your typical water, you can have coffee, and they have the mini fridge. It wasn't on, so my sister was actually able to turn it on, and yeah, it's empty. So then you will have your entertainment. As mentioned, the TV is quite small and it's not really flat screen. And then you have your working desk or computer desk area where my sister is sitting at, and that's your view that you will see from the room, and I'll show you more later on. And the bed's quite comfy, it's so spacious. So, and there's my sister just being crazy. And then let's go move on to the mirror. It's a full body mirror. Hi, it's me. And then this is the bathroom area. It's quite dark. The only thing that I don't like on this bathroom is where the faucet right there on the sink. It is kind of farther with the sink, so the water will leak out. Yeah, so it's just not. That's the only bad thing about this bathroom. However, the best thing of this bathroom is the pressure of the water is quite strong, and that's really nice because you can take shower faster, you can rinse off faster, and it's a bigger shower, so you can move around. It's not really tight. And here we go, my sister just taking selfie, and here's the view that you will see. You will see right here, there's a little bit of construction going on. However, it is still a nice view, except on this here. I don't know what they're doing there. They're trying to build another building maybe. But anyway, it's still a nice view overall, and the location is amazing. And you will see over here that the ocean, it wasn't too far at all. Like you can see, like behind the building, there's like the ocean. You will see the view. I don't know if you can see it clearly here, but it's visible from your window. And it's a nice day in Cebu. I think it was mostly pretty sunny and cloudy. I think it only rained maybe once, but it didn't rain that long. And this is your overview from the window area. It's a nice hotel. Again, it wasn't too crazy priced. I would say about $50 or 2,000 pesos. And then this is my parents' room. It's kind of similar to our room. I do like theirs better because their bathroom is quite brighter than ours, and they also got the king bed. They have the same entertainment area, and this is the same view that you will see. They are more facing out to that construction, but for us it's kind of like to our left side. And then here they are just chilling because they are tired from the flight, and I'm just trying to show you guys what's the difference on each room. It's not really much difference. It's very identical except the light. But here we go, that's it. And by the way, I booked this flight through Expedia, and yeah, it wasn't really that bad at all, and really enjoy our stay. The location is perfect. Thank you for watching, and for the next video, it's going to be the full vlog of our Cebu trip, so stay tuned.